Roads that create a network for people, towns and living. Roads that will enrich people's lives and lead towns into prosperity must require high-precision paving quality and advanced paving technology. To respond to these needs, Sumitomo Construction Machinery has developed a complete range of asphalt pavers equipped to the world's highest standards of paving technology. They are now serving users at a large number of road construction sites around the world. Sumitomo Construction Machinery's road paving machines, making up the JPav series, connect the world. The Sumitomo Group, of which Sumitomo Construction Machinery is a proud member, has enjoyed a nearly 400-year history since its founding by the House of Sumitomo. The Sumitomo Group is a major Japanese business group. Sumitomo Construction Machinery, centered on its excavator and asphalt pavers, is in its turn a leading company in the construction machinery industry. Sumitomo Construction Machinery started asphalt paver production in 1958. Since then, we've been supporting road paving in all types of environments for over 50 years. Sumitomo's high-performance asphalt pavers, developed on the basis of many years of experience and a large number of performance results, now accounts for over 70% of the share of domestic sales of such machinery in Japan. The JPav is an infinitely variable triple screed type paver developed by Sumitomo's world-leading paver design team. The paver boasts a world first, namely the ability to freely perform extensions without the need for any bolt-on extension screeds. Original and most advanced screed, the Sumitomo JPav series. The JPav 2360, equipped with HA60W and HA60C, is an infinitely variable 2.3 meter to 6 meter screed. The result of this flexibility is that obstructions such as manholes at paving sites or the need to change paving widths do not require a suspension of paving operations. What's more, paving widths can be adjusted at the flick of a switch. Conveniently, the transportation width is less than 2.5 meters, so the operator doesn't need to remove heavy parts such as bolt-on extension screeds and side plates. The JPav 2875, equipped with HA90C, is a world first when it comes to providing paving ranges from 2.8 meters up to 7.5 meters without any extension screeds. Paving widths can be further increased up to a maximum of 9 meters, however, by attaching the optional extension screed and auger. During transportation, the width is 2.8 meters or less. Two-lane construction work can be performed without any additional extension screeds, thus saving time and money on the usually troublesome task of extension screed attachment. Compaction with the JPav is accomplished by the strike-off, tamper and vibrator system. The strike-off guides the asphalt mixture smoothly under the screed, and the tamper and vibrator achieves strong and even compaction, realizing pavements with smoothly finished surfaces and superior densities. A hydraulic height adjustment device has been introduced to the JPaver, so adjustments can easily be made if surface height differences occur during paving operations. With just a flick of a switch, the hydraulic height adjustment device adjusts the upward and downward operation of the rear screeds to produce a smooth and evenly finished surface. The hydraulic crown adjustment device, which adjusts the crowning amount just by operating a switch, has been highly appraised at many work sites. The extendable mold board can cut off the supply of the material to avoid overflow in front of the rear screed, and thereby it can carry the material smoothly to the end of the screed. The ecologically optimized heating system realized by Sumitomo's advanced technology is comprised of two aspects. One is the LPG blower system, and the other is the electrical heating system. The LPG blower system requires less time for heating, which reduces fuel costs and evenly heats the plates to the appropriate temperature. Furthermore, the newly developed electrical heating system has been added as an option. Sumitomo's latest control system has realized ecologically optimized heating without increasing the horsepower of the engine. The power system, a combination of an intelligent Isuzu engine and Sumitomo cutting-edge technology, has realized high work efficiency and low fuel consumption, which greatly contributes to improved cost control. Depending on requirements of engine emission regulations, customers can choose from Tier 3 and interim Tier 4. Sumitomo has developed two drive systems, a wheel type and a crawler type. The HST system has been adopted for the crawler type, which directly drives the travel motors mounted to the left and right side sprockets, realizing both powerful and smooth driving operations. The oscillating bogie absorbs impact from uneven road surfaces, such as those created by manholes. The crawler blades push aside the spilled material in front of the crawlers to avoid the changing of the tow point. An advanced four-wheel drive system has been adopted for the HA60W, achieving a powerful drive solution. Sumitomo's original drive control system enables the front and rear wheels to start rotation simultaneously, which prevents slippage and allows for a smoother start. The front wheel traction power can be selected from 4 modes, depending on the paving conditions. The machine can turn at a minimum radius by locking one of the rear wheels with brake. Now let's take a look at Sumitomo Paver's features, which enhances safe road construction work. The Sumitomo Paver is equipped with an engine safety feature that prevents unintended operations. In case of danger, Sumitomo Paver is equipped with 3 emergency stop switches. Sumitomo's concept is to avoid downtime of the machine as much as possible. If a toggle switch or dial on the control box is broken, the operator can control from the monitor. And in the worst-case scenario, the machine can be moved manually to a safe place away from the road. Daily inspections are extremely straightforward. Oil and grease checks, filter changes, as well as other maintenance jobs can be easily carried out just by opening the covers. The main bearings are lubricated by the auto greasing system at fixed intervals. The Asphalt fume ventilation system realizes a safer and more comfortable working environment. Air cooling the radiator blows away fumes from the hopper, and the hydraulic fan draws fumes from the area between tractor and screed and blows them away from the outlet outside the exhaust pipe. The hopper consists of two independently operated side wing and a hydraulically operated front wing. The conveyor and auger strike the perfect balance, ensuring ample supply capacity. Furthermore, the auger is equipped with a function that hydraulically adjusts its height. The height of the auger can be adjusted freely according to the paving thickness. The Sumitomo Paver has also adopted leading-edge technology for enhanced maneuverability and automation. The control box can be moved from left and right to provide the operator with greater flexibility, and the slide-out seat is useful for checking the road and working conditions. The Sumitomo Paver is equipped with a color LCD monitor on the main control box and the screed boxes, and it can relay a wide variety of operational information through text and graphics. Using the ultrasonic material flow controller or grade and slope controller as appropriate, further efficiency and greater stabilization of pavement precision can be achieved. Sumitomo pavers are operating all around the world. Now let's look at some global sites that are actively using Sumitomo pavers. From Japan to the world, Sumitomo Construction Machinery fuses all of its world-leading technologies into its lineup of paving workhorses, and as a result, makes a major contribution to high-quality road building around the world.